अस्सलाम वालेकुम। सक्कर आईबी टेस्टिंग सर्विसेज के ज़रिए कंडक्ट किए जाने वाले इंटरमीडिएट कैटेगरी के 5 to 15 ग्रेड की जॉब्स के लिए जो MCQs आज पूछे गए हैं वो डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। द कैपिटल ऑफ ईरान इज़ तेहरान। Arabic is not an official language of Turkey. Who authored Long Walk to Freedom? And the answer is Nelson Mandela. The landlocked sea is the Aral Sea. Tibet is an autonomous region of country China. +92 is the code used for the phone numbers of Pakistan. It's a humble request, if you are liking the video, keep watching and please like the video and subscribe my channel. Official currency of Yemen is Rial. Which country uses GMT +5 for standard time? It's Pakistan. The land of kangaroo is Australia. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D? It's rickets, and it is a disease caused in bones of human body. Fats are not found in vegetables. Animals that both eat plants and vegetables are known as omnivorous animals. The simplest form of matter that cannot be further split up into simpler substances by a chemical reaction, it's element. Please subscribe the channel and thank you for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.